This is the 1 year review on my Lincoln Electric 3350 welding helmet. I am absolutely amazed. This thing is amazing. I love the viewing. This viewing helmet is amazing. I really love it. I can see better out of my original helmet. This thing is a beast. I love the grinding button on this. It works very nice. I like the setup in here, which is all analog, which I kind of like. I could see out of it. The only issue is that I have one concern, is there's supposed to be a sweatband right here where the tightness is for your head. Why did you do this, Amazon? I don't know, but all I have to say is please fix that. I don't have any issues with it still, but I am starting to lose pieces of my hair. But otherwise, it's still a good helmet. I had this for almost a year, and I'm still loving it. Thanks to my welding instructor, who also chatted me out to getting this helmet. Thank you a lot to him. Lincoln Electric, you rock as usual.